16 miles to the promised land, and I promise you I'm doing the best I can. Now don't fool yourself in thinking you're more than a man, 'cause you'll probably end up dead. I visit these mountains with frequency, and I stand here with my arms up. Now some days they last longer than others, but this day by the lake went too fast. And if you want me, you better speak up. I won't wait, so you better move fast. Don't fool yourself in thinking you're more than you are, with your arms outstretched to me. Now it's 16 miles to the promised land, and I promise you I'm doing the best I can. Now some days they last longer than others, but this day by the lake went too fast. And if you want me, you better speak up. I won't wait, so you better move fast. And some days they last longer than others, but this day by the lake went too fast. And if you want me, you better speak up. I won't wait, so you better move fast.
It's empty in the valley of your heart. The sun, it rises slowly as you walk away from all the fears and all the faults you've left behind. The harvest left no food for you to eat. You cannibal, you meat eater, you see. But I have seen the same, I know the shame in your defeat. But I will hold on hope, and I won't let you choke on the noose around your neck. And I'll find strength in pain, and I will change my ways. I'll know my name as it's cold again. Other things to fill my time. You take what is yours and I'll take mine. Now let me at the truth which will refresh my broken mind. So tie me to a post and block my ears. I can see widows and orphans through my tears, and know my call despite my come out of your cave, walking on your hands, and see the world hanging upside down. You can understand dependence when you know their maker's land. So make your sirens call and sing all you want. I will not hear what you have to say, 'cause I need freedom now, and I need to know how to live my life as it's meant to be.